This video is sponsored by NGK and NTK, manufacturer of spark plugs, ignition coils, oxygen sensors, and technical sensors. Visit ngksparkplugs.com for more information.
Here is the scenario. Customer brings their vehicle to your shop. They have codes for the mass airflow sensor not being responsive, or it's not working as it should. What could be the cause? You already know that electrically this thing is working properly, but it's the wires inside that have become contaminated. Do you know what they've become contaminated by? Well, it's actually the air filter and air filter housing. A lot of the time, a shop or even a quick change oil lube place will not properly seal the housing. When it's not sealed, well, unfiltered air can make its way to the mass airflow sensor. This unfiltered air, well, it actually has contaminants inside. I'm talking about dirt, debris, silica, sand, and what happens is that makes it onto the hot wires inside of the mass airflow sensor. These typically have 12 volts running through them, and they're very, very hot. So when that piece of sand hits that wire, well, it actually melts. And when it melts onto the sensor, it's ineffective now at measuring the temperature of the air coming through and also the volume of air coming through the sensor. So it's critical, if you're servicing the air filter on a vehicle, that you make sure that everything is sealed. If there is any damage to the housing, you're better off replacing it because it could make it more costly having to replace multiple mass airflow sensors. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.